Assalamualaikum guys, as always speaking Muhammad Tosif. Firstly, it's Ramadan, so Ramadan Mubarak to all Muslims, to good deeds, brothers and sisters. Today's video is about WhatsApp wallpaper. I wanna give a very good message to all Muslims. As you can see that WhatsApp wallpaper has many things like shoes, dogs, monkeys, and different hand sign etc. Okay, and it will open. Okay, I will show you. Okay, wait. And okay, screenshot and open the pics. I will zoom in for you. Okay, and okay, yeah, there's our dogs and monkeys. Look, and etc. Okay, and we often share many Islamic videos, Islamic pics to us. I ask our friends on WhatsApp. It's a good habit to share Islamic videos with our friends. But on this wallpaper, this can be a sin. Please kindly change a chat wallpaper. Here I will show you how you can remove or change your wallpaper. Okay, firstly opens WhatsApp and opens anyone chat. Okay, and then select the settings button. Oh, okay, sorry, this one, and then click on wallpaper. You can put any photo from your gallery. Here I am removing my wallpaper, so I am gonna click on no wallpaper option. Okay, now you can see there's no wallpaper. Okay, it's very easy, brother and sister. Okay, and now you can see there's no wallpaper. Now please share these videos as much as you can and save your friends from committing such sin. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. And okay guys, take care, like my videos, click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.